Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about x multiplied by x squared. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Because we have x squared, so I will put number 4 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have the u. This is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, if we do first the derivative, we have 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. S where we change for this one, u minus number 4. S dx we change for the u over number 2. So u divide by this one, number 4 divide by this one, and we have like this. So 1 minus 3 over 2, that is about negative 1 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. So we put negative 1 over 2 gone here. So we have negative 1 over 2 plus 1, we have positive 1 over 2. And the second one, we have negative 1 over 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.